Hey people, hey girls, hey whoever. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Essentials palette from Voss. Now we have several colors to choose from. So, a lot of mattes, some mattes, metallics, pretty much anything you could really... sorry. But there's quite a few shades. We have the shade Cream, Sand, Terracotta, Gold, Emerald, Pink, Dusty Rose, Plum Berry, Cinnamon, and Black. Now, let me start with some swatches. Okay, so you have, this is Cream. Nice slight shimmer to it. This one is Sand. Just go back in real quick. Sand, it's a little orangey, little orangey. It's fairly nice. Then we have Terracotta. One's a little orangey as well. And we have, I'm really looking forward to this one. It's Gold. Nice. That one's actually really nice. A little sheer, but it does have that shimmer to it. Then we have Emerald, which is a lovely one. Ooh, that's actually nice. It's light, but also has some pigment to it. Oh, let's see. There it is. Makeup wipe. I just off my fingers real fast. Okay, we're moving into Pink, which is a little sheer. Little sheer. Then Dusty Rose, which I'm looking forward to as well. Ooh, that's nice, really. Nice matte. Plum Berry. Ooh, that's like a nice, deep, almost coppery, I'd say. Moving into Cinnamon. Sorry for the arm hair. It's like a nice, deep, reddy brown. Then Black. I'm pretty sure this is going to be our standard black shade, but yeah, fairly standard black, but yep, there's the swatches, and let me just wipe these off real quick and then we'll get into a look with it. So I'm going to start off with my Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. I just dropped the cap, but that's okay. Whew, a little more than I expected. A lot more than you need, honestly. Sorry, it's just... the other side. But yeah, a lot of product came out. A lot more than you need, but oof. Okay, let me just grab the cap real quick. Okay. Now back into the palette. So I'm going to use my more my Madra Pro crease brush and go crease brush and going in with the color Sand. Going in there, it's showing up very nicely. Blend it out. And there we have the color Sand in our crease. I'm going to take, then I'm going to take the shade brush from Moda Pro as well. Going with some Dusty Rose. Going right on the lid. Sorry. Then we're going to go in with the crease brush again. Other side, of course. And get some gold on there. Go over in the upper lid. Right in the upper. Now, I'm going to blend it all in. Go in, go blend, blend, blend. Now you might be wondering, why is your inner corner bare? Well, I'm going to take the detail brush into cream. Go right on the inner corner. Then I'm going to take the smudger brush and cinnamon, get just a very little bit, tap it off, go right on my go right underneath. The lower lid. And And then we have this part of the shadow done, and I'll be right back with when I get the other side done. So I have the other eye done. Looks fairly nice, I'd say. So I do really like this palette, although it could be a little more pigmented, I'd say. Now I'm going to add mascara and liner, and I'll be right back to see the finished, completed look. Okay, so I am back. I have my mascara and eyeliner done, and I'd say it's a pretty nice look I've managed to make with this palette. So yes, I really do like this palette, and it's so pretty. As I said before, it could be more pigmented, but it does. But the colors are nice, a little more orangey than I expected, but still. Very nice look, and let's check how it looks with the glasses. Still very nice. So, yeah, that was my review of the Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. And please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.